Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery. This is out of a CX-90. Pretty straightforward process. You're going to need one of the replacement batteries. This takes a 2032. And I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver. You don't have to have this, but it makes the process easier. And there's links to everything I'm using in the description below. First thing you want to do is find this little lever. Take that, push that down like this, and the side that doesn't have Mazda, slide that piece off. Kind of like take your thumb and push this way. I'm going to go ahead and remove the emergency key. Take that, and in this corner right here, there's a little nib. Press that guy in, nice and firm. It's going to pop out your back half here. Spread those with your fingernail. And this is where I think the screwdriver is beneficial. You can use your emergency key, it's just a lot easier using this. So now you have access to your dead battery. Remove that one. Old battery goes out, new battery goes in this side first. Press it in firmly. This goes in right here. Gotta squeeze that pretty firmly right there. Alright, next, line this up with this hole. Push it in, replace your emergency key. It goes right there. And this guy, there's 3 slots here. You can see the little, and there's 3 slots here. Just kind of push that in and then bring it back in. Hit this lock button to make sure a red light's showing up and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.